Because Wolfpack, I told you I'm very old, and in my life experiences, what I've learned is if something scary or sketchy is going on, I want to be sitting next to a Marine who's sitting on a Home Depot bucket. Okay, this is exactly how fail videos on YouTube start. Somebody take a picture of us, please. Somebody take a quick picture of all of us. This isn't for family. This is to possibly identify the bodies after this happens. Okay, so there's two potential scenarios, Wolfpack, right? I told you I'm big on manifestation. We're about to have the best weekend ever. You guys are going to win the football game this weekend. It's going to be a great weekend. Our weekend starts the moment Oscar lands safely after jumping over two human beings. The moment his tires touch this ramp, everybody's okay. Every single one of us go crazy. It'll be the best video. If you're filming, there's a lot of people with their cameras out. If you're filming this and it works, everybody goes crazy. Film your classmates. This is called panning. The internet loves to see people having fun. If this works, nobody gets hurt. We put it on TikTok, we go viral, okay? Easy. We're really good at going viral on TikTok. Scenario 2 isn't quite as pleasant. Scenario 2 involves a question. And that question is there a hospital close by? Okay, we're good. Mr. O, we're good.
We got Logan Regional.
Scenario 2 could possibly mean Oscar hitting Mr. O right in the face with his back tire. Physics are a thing. Math class. If you're missing math class, I'm going to give you a little bit. An object moving forward hits a stationary object. That stationary object is going to fall backwards. It's going to be a mess of 3 people, 1 BMX bike, and 2 beach chairs. It's going to be hard to explain in the ER. If something goes wrong, and I know I've been having a lot of fun with you guys are the best show that we've done all week. Easily. But I have to get serious right now, because BMX crashes happen. It's a reality of what we do. If you're filming our show, and something goes wrong, do not, let me say that again, so you people up there, if you're filming this last stunt, and something goes wrong, do not, I repeat, do not stop filming, because we're going to put it on TikTok either way.